Inconsiderate cast.
Yeah, y'all some Orlando Bloom, I feel for you. If you out there, if you're looking at this, I hope you're okay.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today at the Culver Steps. In honor of the new Lord of the Rings prequel series, I'm going to walk around Culver City asking these people about questions related to Lord of the Rings. Let's see how much these people know about Middle-earth. All right, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Jude Marquez. I'm from Los Angeles, California.
Remy, Culver City.
My name is Brianna and I'm from Los Angeles.
Lauren, I'm from San Jose.
All right, my name's Julio. I'm from Hollywood as well, yeah.
I'm a big fan of the outfit.
You're a big fan of the outfit? Okay.
You're killing it, man. Let me ask you guys something. Are you guys fans of Lord of the Rings by any chance?
Not really.
Number 1. Who finally destroys the ring? Is it A, Sam, B, Frodo, or C, Gollum?
I think it's Gollum. Wasn't he the one who fell into, the volcano? I mean, technically it was Gollum.
I'm gonna say C, Gollum.
See? Yeah.
Do we have to agree on it?
Yeah.
Whatever you think.
I'm pretty sure it's Gollum. I'm pretty sure he falls in at the end.
We're going to go with Gollum.
You are correct.
He's a little creepy. He's a little creepy.
He's a little creepy. Gollum destroys the ring after Frodo fails at the last moment, but he doesn't do it on purpose. Instead, in stealing the ring, he accidentally falls into the volcano Mount Doom. You nailed it.
Those 3 hours.
All right, number 2. Ooh, this one's a little bit tricky. What's the name of the world where Lord of the Rings takes place? Is it A, Mordor, B, Arda, or C, Gondor?
You know this one.
Mordor, right? No? You know, what is it?
It's Gondor.
That one. Gondor.
I know it's not Arda. I'm going to say Gondor.
Is it B?
Yeah, I wanna say B.
I'll say B, yeah.
I think I wanna say
It's gonna
B.
sound familiar, but...
B is correct. You're the first two to get that one. That one's tough. It's actually Arda. This is by far the hardest one. I know what you mean. Arda is the name of the planet that it takes place. I know what you mean. And Middle-earth is like the central continent where it all takes place. Gondor and Mordor are countries. Lord of the Rings geography lesson. Now I know.
Now I'll know forever.
I need to open the appendix. Learn everything.
There you go.
Learn what Gandalf is.
All right, this is for all the marbles. Our last question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. While shooting the movies, a number of the actors got hurt. Orlando Bloom was injured, but after they found out he was fine, the cast made fun of him for complaining about the pain for weeks.
Are you serious?
What injury did he have?
Okay, firstly, yo, the cast, you guys some real. You're gonna make fun of a guy who got some back pain from falling off of a cliff while you were shooting them epic scenes? Damn, I can't. No.
Inconsiderate cast.
Yeah, y'all some Orlando Bloom, I feel for you. If you out there, if you're looking at this, I hope you're okay.
What injury did he have? Was it A, a broken rib, B, a broken collarbone, or C, a concussion?
Can you repeat the questions?
I don't think that it's gonna be all that severe because it was a big budget movie. So I'm gonna go C, a concussion.
I think it was a broken rib, but I'm not really sure. You have no idea.
50-50. Go with yours.
I think it was a broken rib.
I'm gonna say a broken rib. I'm gonna say A.
We'll do A, yeah? We'll do it.
Broken rib is correct. You are correct. It is a broken rib. Lord of the Rings master over here. Bloom broke his rib falling off a horse while filming the pursuit sequence in The Two Towers. Viggo Mortensen was also injured filming this sequence. He broke his toe kicking a helmet, and the shot is actually used in the final film. $50 for you guys today, man.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, beautiful. Yeah, lunch on Dherbs.
My name's Jude Marquez. I just played the Street Smarts Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs, for filming me.
I'm Lauren,
And I'm Remy.
and we just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thanks.
Brought to you by Dherbs.
My name's Brianna. I'm from LA.
My name's Julio. I'm from LA, and we won the Street Smart Challenge
yeah, the
presented by Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.